Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. So today's video is probably gonna be pretty short because I am cooking something, but it's like literally 3 minutes in the microwave, a couple minutes to put together, handful of ingredients, and it's like 2 points on the green plan and 0 points on other plans. So let's get into it. All right, so it is going to be just an egg souffle, but super easy, like I said. For it, couple ingredients. Need a bowl, need an egg, need a banana, a little bit of olive oil spray, vanilla, a little bit of cinnamon, and blueberries. So super easy, couple of, handful of things, and yeah. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is take your banana and break it up and throw it in here. For this, because I am doing a souffle that is sweeter than savory, pretty much the riper the banana, the better, because as bananas ripen, they get really, really sweet. And from there, you're just gonna mash up the banana. All right, so that's pretty mashed, and then you just take your egg, crack it in there, and you can go ahead and add in a couple of the other things. So like a teaspoon or so of vanilla extract. You can use other extracts also, especially if you are keeping it sweet like I am doing, and you can make it, you can use the cake batter extract, or you want to go more orangey with it. I don't know. Whatever you want to do, you can do. And then I add in the cinnamon. This one's weird. It doesn't have the little holes, so I always shake it into the lid and pour that. That way I don't accidentally tap a little too much and ruin everything. And mix this stuff together. And totally forgot to use the spray. If you spray the bowl first, then you can take it out easier. I'm probably just gonna eat in here, so that's fine. But normally, if you spray the container first, it comes out a little bit easier, and you can put it on a cute plate or something like I was planning to do. But, this is the Robert show, and that's how I roll. Okay, so that is pretty well mixed up, and then you can take your blueberries. They are 0 points, so I'm not measuring. You probably just want like a quarter of a cup. So you just pop those guys in there. This I change a lot. I've been obsessed with this lately, and I will do different things. Like I have put peanut butter chips in there, chocolate chips in there. I've tried with oranges, and that was pretty good. A little too chunky, but you could always cut those up even smaller if you want to. And yeah, so from here, it's just gonna go in the microwave for 3 minutes. All right, so while that's in the microwave, I just wanna talk real quick. I have mentioned this 1,000 times, so sorry if I'm gonna be repeating myself. Well, I know I'm gonna be repeating myself. But I've been asked a lot lately, again, about how do I keep motivated? How do I keep focused on losing weight, on going to the gym, eating healthy, all of that? And obviously you guys have been there, you know that sometimes I don't. I have my mess ups, but for the general way of things, I do. And that is because, again, guys, it's your why. Why am I doing this? I have major reasons, especially with some scares that have been going on, not with me luckily, but with some scares going on around me. It's a big reminder of, my mom passing away, and I don't want to die. And then also, the more I do it, the more, I don't want to say it gets addicting, but the easier it gets. And the more you're like, I want to keep seeing progress. I want to keep going to the gym. I want to keep seeing my body change. I'm liking the direction my body's going. You guys pretty much just see this section of me all the time, but all of this used to be so, so much bigger, and I am loving the direction it's going. So all of that, I am reminding myself of, and I constantly am telling myself about it. And I have reminders all over my apartment of those things, and those things are my whys, and those, if they're powerful enough, it'll get you going. It's gotten me going. I can't depend on something as flippant as motivation. There are some days I do not feel like it. This morning, I did not want to go to the gym. I mean, I just really didn't. That's also, well, I mean, this is a normal shirt, but still, this is my gym outfit. If you saw my pants, you'd be like, whoa. But yeah, I didn't want to go, but I want to be different. I want to be better. I want to improve my life, and I want to have a life to live. So with all of that in mind, it helps keep me motivated when I'm not going to be motivated, because as I said before, it's not a matter of motivation, because sometimes you have it, sometimes you don't, but it's a matter of dedication and it's a matter of commitment. I have those things now. Yes, I'm going to fall off. Yes, I'm going to make mistakes, but for the grand scheme of things, for most of the weeks, most of the days, most of the hours, I have that dedication. And that is the key to remember. If your why isn't powerful enough, it's going to be a lot harder. All right, that's done. So let's move on from that topic. All right, so like I said, if you had used this, which I did not, you could put it on a cute plate. So instead it's in here, and this does not, I know it doesn't look the most attractive, but wait until I cut into it. All right, so again, looks like that, but when you cut into it, it kind of is thick like a cake. And even better, there's a lot. That was too hot, whoa. But it's thick like a cake, and it tastes amazing. The blueberries, the banana, everything comes through, so that this is a really sweet, quick dessert type thing, and I am loving it. It doesn't taste too eggy. It does taste pretty banana-y. Don't know how to get over that unless you use a more flavorful extract besides the vanilla extract, but I really like the vanilla extract, and honestly, that's all I had. So yeah, so that's it. Like I said, it is 2 points on the green plan. If you're on the purple or blue, 0 points. I think that's pretty awesome. So yeah, so hopefully you guys, if you haven't done this before, super quick, super easy, hopefully you enjoy it. And that's what I got for today. So I will talk to you guys Thursday when I do my meme of the week. Bye.